Precision Door, a name you can trust.
I'm Derek with Precision Door. Are you experiencing technical difficulties with your door opener remote or just looking to change your keypad code? This quick video will provide you with step-by-step instructions on programming your garage door remote control and keypad for a LiftMaster opener. Come take a walk with me. The first thing you need to do is identify the Learn button on your garage door motor. Pull off the lens cover that covers the light bulb. Inside you'll find a purple button, otherwise known as the Learn button. Simply push and release the Learn button. Then push and release the button on the remote. The light bulb will flash once to confirm that the task is complete. The other thing you'll have to program other than your remote control is your wireless keypad, and doing so is just as simple. Again, just push and release the Learn button on your motor. Then you'll have 30 seconds to get to the keypad and enter the 4-digit number you want. Ooh. Once you've chosen your code, hit the enter button on the keypad, the light on the keypad will flash, and you'll be all set. Here's some very helpful information you'll need to know should you need to purchase new, additional, or replacement remote controls. The latest LiftMaster models are 315 MHz devices. Therefore, the remote control also has to be a 315 MHz device. Older remote controls were 390 MHz devices and will not work with the newer models. Why is this information so important, you ask? Well, it's because it's the most common problem customers have when going to their local retail store to purchase a new remote control. Without this information, Joe Salesman is going to try to sell you any remote control off the shelf simply because it comes in a LiftMaster box, and your purchase may not be compatible with your particular model. All you need to do is find a 3-digit number on the back of your current remote control, or get the top number from the circuit board of your motor. Those numbers will identify your frequency and which remote to use with your device. If this video hasn't solved your problem and you're still having trouble, we suggest you give us a call and we'll have one of our certified technicians come out to help you. We're Precision Door, a name you can trust.
30 seconds to answer the phone.
What? Oh, come on!
Precision Door service, a name you can trust.